Hey guys, in today's video, we are gonna be checking out the 5 best drone in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you're looking for a drone that provides easy to use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these drones, you can check out the description below. Let's get started.
Life can't help but be structured, sometimes too much so. It gets to the point where you crave not necessarily the lack of structure, but more freedom. Freedom to be expressive, creative, to take things that people tell you that you can't do and bump it up to the top of the bucket list. We're always looking for ways to enable that.
The Phantom 3 Standard is a flying camera that matches your lifestyle. It's a fully integrated, user-friendly quadcopter and is ready to fly right out of the box. There are so many missed opportunities to capture once-in-a-lifetime experiences that you realize how limiting it is to have to always hold a traditional camera. Capturing photos and video with the Phantom 3 Standard brings a new dimension to experiences as you live them. And watching your footage play back feels just as real as that moment in time.
The included camera shoots up to 2.7K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second and captures 12 megapixel still photos in JPEG or RAW format.
Simply connect your mobile device to the Phantom and turn your camera into a live bird's eye view from the sky. This real-time HD view runs on built-in Wi-Fi, enabling you to see everything, take pictures and video instantly, and access a wealth of other features as you fly over half a mile away. The Phantom 3 Standard's motors have been upgraded to be even more efficient, giving you up to 25 minutes of flight time with each battery. Built-in GPS and state-of-the-art intelligent flight systems combine to give you peace of mind as you fly. With the Phantom's auto-hover capabilities and return to home making every time you use it easy and safe.
We're also very excited to announce intelligent flight modes. Follow Me mode allows the Phantom to autonomously follow you wherever you go. Point of interest tells your Phantom to do perfect circles around a set point while keeping your camera steady and pointed at the subject.
Waypoints is like having a computer-assisted co-pilot.
Set flight points on a map, including altitude and speed, and then hit go. The Phantom automatically flies for you as you control the camera to get that perfect shot. All of this means you can now easily execute dynamic aerial shots like a seasoned pro.
There are times in your life that you want to remember forever. Using the Phantom 3 Standard makes those moments absolutely unforgettable. It's the future of photography and connecting yourself with the world.
Hey guys, I'm Ty, and you're watching the DJI Spark tutorial video series. In the past, controlling a DJI drone required either a remote controller or a smartphone. With Spark's new advanced gesture system, controllers and phones are no longer a requirement to fly. In this video, we'll show you how to launch, control, and land Spark all with the palm of your hand. Ready? All right, let's get started with palm launch. To perform a palm launch and use palm control, you'll first need to enable advanced gesture control. You can enable this option during activation, but if you didn't, don't worry. Just go to Visual Navigation Settings in DJI Go 4 to turn it on. While a mobile device or remote control isn't required to fly, we do recommend connecting one to the aircraft's Wi-Fi so you can take control in case of an emergency. For added safety, DJI also recommends installing propeller guards when using these functions. Now to get started, power on the aircraft, then place Spark on your palm with its nose facing toward you at eye level. When the rear LEDs start flashing yellow, tap the power button twice to launch FaceWare. When the camera detects your face, the front LEDs will flash green and the motors will start. When the front LEDs turn solid red, release Spark and the aircraft will hover in place. After performing a palm launch, the aircraft will automatically enter gesture mode. And from gesture mode, palm control allows you to fly Spark simply using hand and arm motions. To get started, stand a few feet away from Spark. Raise your arm and point your open palm towards the camera, keeping all your fingers fully extended and as close together as possible. Solid yellow front LEDs indicate Spark starting to recognize your palm. If the front LEDs flash yellow, and that means you're either too close or too far away from the aircraft. Go ahead and adjust your position accordingly. When the front LEDs turn solid green, Spark's ready for palm control. Now, slowly move your hand up, down, left, right, forward, or backward, and Spark will move right along with you. Once you're comfortable with palm control, try some more advanced maneuvers. Wave your hand, and Spark will fly backwards and up, then start tracking you. To take a selfie, hold up both hands and make a frame with your fingers. The front LEDs will flash red for 3 seconds, and Spark will snap a photo. When Spark is following you and you want to land, raise your arms up above your shoulders for 2 seconds, and Spark will fly right back to you. You can perform the same gesture to have Spark follow you if it isn't already, provided that the aircraft is still in the air. When you're finished flying, put your hand below Spark with its nose facing towards you, and the aircraft will land on your palm automatically. Well, that's how to control Spark just using your hands. In our next video, we'll take a look at Spark's 2 main flight modes. We'll see you next time, and thanks for